To fix Windows 11 search bar not working, first restart Windows Search because sometimes the search process freezes in the background. Press and hold Control key, then Shift key, then press Escape key on your keyboard. To open Task Manager, click on Details. Here in search bar, type search. You can see search host.exe. Right click and select End Task. Click on End Process. After this, click on Windows icon and restart your PC and check if it helps to fix your problem. If not, then follow our next method. Method 2. Restart Windows Search Services. Do the same, press and hold Control, Shift and Escape key. Click on Run New Task. Type services.msc. Check this box to give administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Here you need to search Windows Search. Right click and select Properties. Select the startup type to automatic. If it's not running, then click on Start. Afterwards, click on Apply and OK. Then restart your computer and check if this helped to fix your problem. Method 3. Rebuild search index. If search opens but shows no result, delete and rebuild index option always help to fix the issue. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Here, scroll it down. You will see Search. Click on it. Scroll it down. Select Advanced Indexing Options. Then click on Advanced. Under Troubleshooting, click on Rebuild and wait for the process to finish. This could take between 10 minutes to 1 hour depending on how many files and folder are included. That's all for today. See you in the next video.